there. Right there.
There might be a master switch on somewhere. I don't know how to start the couple of choochies.
I don't need it. One down. Jump in it.
Where's this key go?
Right there. Turn the key. No bueno.
It won't let me turn the key to start switch. To start.
Well, turn it back. No.
Security system lockout.
No.
All right, now turn it back on. Turn the key. You shouldn't have to put the code in again. Easy.
Try not to twist on these tracks too much. Oh, that track's shot.
Yeah.
Easy, killer. Don't worry about him.
I don't want to hit my damn truck.
You gotta go that way a little bit. Yeah. Yep. Straight up. Pick up. Go up there and get one out of mine. That's what he said, but now I've been through job sites because I've already been there.
You didn't see none?
I didn't see any, not saying they ain't there. I told you there's a lot of places to hide them.
Yeah.
A couple of them I found behind houses.
Especially when you know.
Hey, he said he'll be back here tomorrow. I want you to run down here after work.
I ain't got work tomorrow.
Oh, that's right. Tomorrow's Friday. Well, I might send you down here after you get done with
No shit.
Granny.
He didn't give up much of a fight. Will you go clean up that driveway a little bit?
Hey, you don't know that. I don't think he knows that yet.
No, I had that one before you even knew.
Hurry up and get that driveway. I ain't worried about the road.
Yeah, just don't piss off the neighbors more than the other day. Park in your yard.
I wonder what old boy was thinking. That was his crane service, J&M. That's who owns all this. Ready?
Back up out this bitch. I'm sure ain't nowhere to turn around.
No. I didn't bring a card with me.
Can I get your phone number then? Oh, can I just take a picture?
Yeah.
Alright. I mean, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
So if we make the payment up tomorrow, everything full balance?
Yeah, Caterpillar is gonna get the equipment, so you just have to go there to pick it up.
Okay, so they're gonna repossess it even if we make the payment?
These ones, I mean, they're already repossessed.
Gotcha.
But what you do is just make your payment, and then we're gonna drop them off at Caterpillar. You just go there and pick them up.
All right, gotcha.
Because all they are, they're the finance company.
Yeah, no, I got you. You just a repossessed guys. Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna drop it off at Caterpillar.
All right.
And then you just go back there and pick them up.
All right.
But yeah,
That sounds good. Man.
all he's
Appreciate
got to do is make his payments.
All right, you have a good
All
one.
right, thank
Bye,
you.
buddy.